Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video to the Android benchmark test in the OnePlus Nord 2 device only by using the RAM boost option. And this is my first time doing this kind of video, friends, because before I did use the high performance mode and RAM boost, and without using any kind of high performance mode and RAM boost, even I did use the gain space as well. I did do plenty of combination, but for the first time I'm trying to use only RAM boost option. As you can see, only this one option is enabled during this process of demonstration. Let's see whether this will make any kind of change in terms of the Android benchmark score or not. So in the OnePlus Nord 2 device, if you don't use any options, if you don't use anything, the Android benchmark score will be around 6 lakhs, only 6 lakhs. If you try to use the high performance mode and if you try to use the RAM boost and the game space, then the Android benchmark score will be around close to 6,70,000, 6,65,000. As you can see, 6,60,000. This is a test which I did using the high performance mode and RAM boost as well. But right now, only with the RAM boost, let's see how much the score we can actually expect in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. We need to start the test right now. Let's check the temperatures. What is right now? It's of 30 degrees. As you can see, my room temperature is pretty low. It's only 29 degrees and pretty close. As you can see, the room temperature and the phone temperature. And this is the question which has been requested by one of my subscriber, asking me to make a video only using the RAM boost. So is there any kind of change we can actually expect if you try to use the RAM boost or not? So even I am curious to see what will be the performance level in this OnePlus Nord 2 device. So because in the Realme X1 Max, even if you don't use any kind of options, you can actually get really high scores. But I'm not sure why in this Dimensity 1200 it's kind of limited. So if you want to experience high performance while gaming, you need to enable the high performance mode every time. But let's see whether the RAM boost will make any kind of sense in increasing and boosting the performance or not. That is what my main point. So again, I'll be back after a couple of minutes. As you can see, friends, right now we're getting to the end of the Android benchmark test results. So right now it's off close to 35 degrees at this moment. As you can see, the temperature did not increase much. So if you try to use only the RAM boost, the temperature in this OnePlus Nord 2 will only increase if you try to use the high performance mode. So let's see what will be the Android benchmark score, how much you can actually expect, because I'm not having that much kind of high hopes at this point on this OnePlus Nord 2, because so in my past experience, without using high performance mode, the phone will result in very low Android benchmark score. Yes, if you don't use high performance mode. So that's how it is designed in this OnePlus Nord 2 device. If you use the high performance mode, only then the score will increase. But I'm not sure about the RAM boost. So by this video, I will get the confirmation what happens with the RAM boost, particularly is it kind of helpful or not in any manner. So that is what my main point of making this video. So right now the test is going to finish at this point. Let's see. As you can see, the test is going to complete and the results are, as you can see, friends, 5,98,000. I did say that I'm not having that much kind of high hopes, but just for the demonstration purpose only, I did use in this manner. As you can see, 5,98,000 only using the RAM boost option in the OnePlus Nord 2. So even without using any kind of RAM boost as well, you will get similar kind of score only in the OnePlus Nord 2. If you use the high performance mode only, that will result in high number of scores in the Android benchmark score in this OnePlus Nord 2. That high performance mode, that is the one key thing which is present in this OnePlus Nord 2 device. So this is the final result, friends, in this phone. Let me try to show you what is the highest score before I got in this device, so that you can actually compare what is happening with the high performance mode. As you can see, 6,76,000, friends, 6,76,000 we got before. And if you don't use any kind of high performance mode, no RAM boost, 5,87,000. You can see there is a huge difference. It's kind of close to, I think, 1 lakh difference is there, 90,000 to 1 lakh difference. As you can see, friends, just by that one option alone. So these are the few details on the OnePlus Nord 2 device, and thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, don't forget to check the playlist for the OnePlus Nord 2. You can find all the videos related to this phone in this one single playlist. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.